In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to access Tesla 12-volt battery. So let's get started. Now, first of all, just go ahead and search Tesla 12-volt battery on Google. Then go ahead and click on the first link. Now, once you're on this link, it has a very detailed page on how you can access this battery, where to find it, how to remove it, how to put it, and a lot of other stuff, okay? So first of all, I recommend you to go ahead and give a read through the page and see whether it helps you out. Now, if it doesn't help you out, I'm obviously gonna go ahead and summarize the entire page and give you some tips on how you can do it. So, first check vehicle compatibility. So, all Tesla models have a 12-volt battery, but its location varies. Now, how can you access this battery? So, for Model 3 and Model Y, open the front trunk, remove the plastic trim panel near the windshield, and the 12-volt battery is located under the panel. For Model S and Model X, open the front trunk, then remove the cowl cover and front liner, which is secured with clips and screws. The 12-volt battery is beneath these covers near the firewall. Now, you might be wondering when to access this battery. You have to do it if the car is unresponsive or won't power on, or when replacing an old or failing 12-volt battery, or if performing a jump start, which is a temporary power boost. So if for example, if you need a jump starting the 12-volt battery, this is how you do it. So connect the red or the positive cable to the positive terminal and connect the black, which is the negative cable, to a ground point, which is not, don't do it directly to the battery. Then use the portable jump starter or another car's 12-volt power source. For a safe replacement, you'll have to follow Tesla's official instruction or visit a service center so that they can support you with it. So, alright, guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.